Hello students, this is Arvina Ali, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. Students of class 5, today in this video lecture, I will explain you poem 6 of unit 6, that is class discussion. Students, class discussion is an activity, a discussion on single topic, and everybody in class gets the opportunity to participate. So, this poem is based on class discussion. Students, do you know benefits of taking part in class discussion? Have you ever participated in class discussion which is held in your class? You must have participated many a times, and there are a lot of advantages to take part in class discussion. Our learning become very interesting. Now students, look at the picture. This is the scene of the classroom. A teacher is asking question or maybe discussing something with students, and students are raising their hands to air their opinion about the question. This poem is written by Gervase Finn. He was a teacher and later he became the inspector of the school. Let's recite the poem first. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Class discussion. This poem speaks about the discussion going on in the class. All the children seems to be very busy expressing their ideas and opinions about the topic given. But children, the teacher notices that a girl named Jane who remained silent and does not take part in class discussion. So the teacher asked the reason to Jane and she expected a clear answer from Jane. Then Jane looked up and she spoke to the teacher. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet by nature. Now, first two lines of the poem. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinion, but from you we barely heard. Children, during the class discussion, all the students were participating. They all were giving their opinions, sharing their ideas, and was having a hot discussion about the topic. But children, from Jane, teacher did not get any ideas and did not express anything from her side. She is keeping quiet all the time. Now, the next lines of the poem. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. And now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Children, the teacher wanted to know why was Jane keeping quiet and was having a fixed look and staring without speaking a word. And the teacher wanted Jane to tell the reason very clearly. Now, the next paragraph. Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. So, children, now Jane looked up and her voice was very clear but it was low. She said to the teacher, there are many people in the world who are quiet by nature. So, she told teacher that this is my nature and I be quiet by my nature. So children, this is all about the poem class discussion. Recite the poem from your English Marigold book.